Have you tried connecting your headphones to your Windows 10 laptop audio port only to find out that there is no sound? This can usually happen if you recently formatted your computer, just had a software update, or a driver update. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to fix the Windows 10 headphones not detected problem. First, run the audio troubleshooter tool. Windows has a built-in troubleshooting tool that detects and fixes most of the common software-related issues that you might experience with the computer. For sound-related problems, you can use the audio troubleshooter tool. To do this, click on the Start button. This is found on the lower left side of the screen. Then, click on Settings. This will open the Settings window. Then, click on Update and Security. This is usually the last option in the Settings window. Click on Troubleshoot. This can be found on the left pane. Then, click on Playing Audio. Then, click on Run the Troubleshooter. This will run the audio troubleshooter tool. It will detect the cause of the problem and provide you with information on what to do to fix it. Once you have finished with the audio troubleshooter tool, restart your computer, then check if the Windows headphones not detected issue still occurs. Next, update your audio driver. Another possible reason why this problem occurs is because your computer is not using the correct audio driver. Try to let Windows search for the updated driver. Right-click on Start. Then, click on Device Manager. Then, click on the forward arrow before the Sound, Video and Game Controllers option to expand it. Then, right-click on the audio component, then click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search your computer and the internet for the latest drivers and install it. Restart your computer if a new update is installed. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.